Hey everyone, welcome back to Trendly Excel Tips. Today I'm showing you a super useful Excel trick using COUNT and COUNTA to check which employees have been paid and which haven't. Let's go. So here we have a list of employee names, and in the next column we have their salary amounts. Some cells have salary values, while others are empty, meaning those employees haven't been paid yet. First, let's find out how many employees have been paid. For that, we use the COUNT formula because COUNT only counts numbers. So in a blank cell, type equals COUNT C2 to C16. And just like that, Excel tells you how many salary cells have numbers, meaning how many employees received their payment this month. Now, same thing can be done by another formula. To find out how many employees have been paid, use COUNTA, because COUNTA counts anything that is not empty. Type equals COUNTA. C2 to C16, and Excel instantly gives you the total number of employees who have been paid. So with COUNT and COUNTA, you check how many salary entries are filled. If this helped you, hit like, comment, and subscribe for more Excel hacks every week.